Every week, developers release powerful open-source GitHub projects that help teams build faster and work smarter. In this weekly update, we cover top trending open-source GitHub projects this week, so you can quickly discover useful developer tools, AI workflows, and productivity systems. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, CLI-Anything, Natural Language Interface for Terminal Workflows. CLI-Anything is an open-source framework from CUDS that lets users control command line workflows using natural language. It connects language models with shell execution so prompts can translate into terminal commands and automation steps. Developers run it locally and integrate custom tools, environments, and execution rules into the workflow. The system focuses on making CLI interactions more accessible and programmable through AI. This helps teams automate operational tasks faster. Explore the repository to build AI-powered terminal workflows. Project number 2, OpenWA, Open Source WhatsApp Automation Framework. OpenWA is an open-source automation framework for interacting with WhatsApp through programmable APIs and browser-driven workflows. It enables developers to send messages, manage chats, process events, and integrate WhatsApp into applications and automation systems. The framework runs locally or in server environments using web session control. This helps teams build messaging bots and communication workflows. Explore the repository to automate WhatsApp interactions. Project number 3, Streambert, AI Assistant for Live Streaming Workflows. Streambert is an open-source AI assistant designed for streamers and live content workflows. It integrates with streaming environments to automate moderation, interactions, and audience engagement tasks through AI-driven behavior. Developers configure it locally and connect it with streaming platforms and tools. The system focuses on improving live production workflows. This helps creators manage streams more efficiently. Explore the repository to build streaming assistants. Project number 4, SUI, Web Interface for Managing Proxy and Network Systems. SUI is an open-source web management interface for configuring and operating proxy and networking services. It provides dashboards and controls for handling users, traffic, and server configurations through a browser-based workflow. Developers deploy it on servers and manage network infrastructure visually. The system focuses on operational simplicity and centralized control. This helps teams manage proxy services more efficiently. Explore the repository to administer network systems. Project number 5, Maigret, ASIN tool for username discovery across platforms. Maigret is an open-source ASIN tool that searches for usernames across websites and online services. It scans supported platforms and returns matching public accounts and profile references tied to a username. Developers and researchers run it locally for identity research and online footprint analysis. The system focuses on automated discovery workflows. This helps teams gather public profile information more efficiently. Explore the repository to perform username searches. Project number 6, Open Generative AI, Educational Hub for Generative AI Learning. Open Generative AI is an open-source educational repository that organizes learning resources, examples, and workflows related to generative AI. It covers language models, image generation, prompt engineering, and applied AI systems through structured references and examples. Developers and learners use it as a study and discovery resource rather than a runtime platform. This helps users learn modern AI workflows more effectively. Explore the repository to study generative AI. Project number 7, Remove-AI-Watermarks, Image Cleanup Tool for Watermark Removal. Remove-AI-Watermarks is an open-source image processing project focused on removing AI-generated watermarks and overlays from images. It applies restoration and editing workflows to reconstruct image regions affected by visible marks. Developers run it locally as part of media cleanup or pre-processing pipelines. The system focuses on automated image restoration. This helps users clean generated images more efficiently. Explore the repository to process image cleanup workflows. Project number 8, Animate, Animation Toolkit for modern web interfaces. Animate is an open-source front-end animation library that provides reusable animated components and interaction patterns for web applications. It helps developers add motion effects and transitions to interfaces using modern web technologies. The library integrates into front-end workflows where smooth visual interaction matters. This helps teams create more engaging UI experiences. Explore the repository to add animations to web apps. Project number 9, php-fts, full-text search engine for PHP applications. php-fts is an open-source full-text search library built for PHP applications. It provides indexing and query functionality that allows developers to add text search capabilities directly into PHP-based systems. The library focuses on lightweight search workflows without requiring external search infrastructure. Developers integrate it into websites and internal tools. This helps teams implement search features more easily. Explore the repository to add text search to PHP apps. Project number 10, Let Go. Lightweight task automation and workflow utility. Let Go is an open-source automation tool that helps developers define and run repeatable local workflows through simple commands. It provides utilities for task execution, scripting, and process management in development environments. Developers use it to reduce manual repetitive work and streamline operational routines. The system focuses on minimal setup and fast execution. This helps teams simplify automation workflows. Explore the repository to automate local tasks. Project number 11, nfsdiag, Diagnostic Toolkit for NFS Environments. nfsdiag is an open-source utility for diagnosing and troubleshooting network file system environments. It analyzes configuration, connectivity, and performance issues related to NFS mounts and operations. Developers and administrators run it locally to inspect system behavior and identify operational problems. The tool focuses on practical diagnostics for storage workflows. This helps teams maintain stable NFS infrastructure. Explore the repository to troubleshoot NFS systems. Project number 12, Atom, AI-powered SQLite workflow assistant. Atom is an open-source project from SQLite-AI that combines AI workflows with SQLite-based data operations. It helps developers interact with databases through natural language and structured query workflows powered by language models. The system integrates local database handling with conversational interfaces for analysis and management tasks. This helps teams work with structured data more efficiently. Explore the repository to build AI-assisted database workflows. Project number 13, Mirage, Simulation Framework for AI Interaction Environments. Mirage is an open-source framework from Structo.ai that creates simulated environments for testing AI systems and agent interactions. It provides structured scenarios, generated interactions, and controlled workflows where developers can evaluate autonomous behavior. The platform focuses on reproducible experimentation and simulation-driven development. This helps teams test AI workflows more safely. Explore the repository to create AI simulations. Project number 14, deepsec, Security Testing Framework for AI Applications. Deepsec is an open-source project from Versa Labs that evaluates AI systems for vulnerabilities, unsafe behavior, and adversarial risks. It provides workflows for testing prompts, outputs, and application logic against security-focused scenarios. Developers integrate it into AI pipelines to improve reliability before deployment. The system focuses on AI security validation. This helps teams harden AI applications. Explore the repository to test AI security. Project number 15, Hermes Desktop, Desktop Environment for AI Agent Management. Hermes Desktop is an open-source desktop application for running and coordinating AI agent workflows visually. It combines prompts, memory handling, tool execution, and workflow management into a graphical interface. Developers use it locally to operate autonomous systems without relying only on terminal workflows. The platform focuses on usability and structured agent interaction. This helps teams manage AI agents more effectively. Explore the repository to run AI agents on desktop. Project number 16, TokenSpeed, Benchmarking Utility for LLM Inference Throughput. TokenSpeed is an open-source benchmarking tool that measures token generation speed and inference performance for language models. It runs standardized workloads and reports metrics related to throughput and latency across hardware and runtime configurations. Developers use it to compare optimization strategies and serving environments. The system focuses on measurable inference performance. This helps teams evaluate model deployment efficiency. Explore the repository to benchmark token generation. Project number 17, PS5, Linux Loader. Linux Loader for PlayStation 5 hardware. PS5 Linux Loader is an open-source project that enables Linux loading workflows on PlayStation 5 systems. It provides boot utilities and execution logic that allow developers and researchers to experiment with Linux environments on supported hardware. The project focuses on low-level hardware interaction and alternative operating system workflows. This helps developers explore PS5 system capabilities. Explore the repository to experiment with Linux on PS5. Project number 18, OpenSwarm. Swarm framework for collaborative AI agents. OpenSwarm is an open-source framework that coordinates groups of AI agents working together through swarm-style workflows. It manages communication, task delegation, and shared context across agents connected to models and external tools. Developers use it to build collaborative automation and reasoning systems. The platform focuses on scalable multi-agent coordination. This helps teams experiment with swarm intelligence workflows. Explore the repository to build collaborative agents. Project number 19, Writer Computer, Local AI Writing Assistant for Desktop Workflows. Writer is an open-source desktop AI writing assistant that helps users draft, edit, and organize written content locally. It combines language model interactions with document workflows in a private computing environment. Developers and writers run it on local systems for content creation without relying entirely on cloud services. The platform focuses on local-first writing support. This helps users manage writing workflows more privately. Explore the repository to build AI-assisted writing workflows. Project number 20, Unity UI Document Design System. Design system for Unity UI workflows. Unity UI Toolkit Design System is an open-source design system built for Unity UI Toolkit development workflows. It provides reusable components, styles, and structured interface patterns for creating consistent Unity applications. Developers integrate it into game and tool development projects to standardize UI implementation. The system focuses on maintainable and scalable interface design. This helps teams build cleaner Unity interfaces. Explore the repository to improve Unity UI workflows. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update.